You know you're in the will of God. You have to be when you're a missionary, you see. Because the general orders is go into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. A man is a missionary. Now, I don't care too much. Missionary is a very fine word, but I got a better word for it. You're an apostle. See? That's right. Now, what does the word apostle mean? One that's sent. What does the word missionary mean? One that's sent. It's the same thing. So, missionaries, prophets, evangelists, teachers, and pastors make up the church. Is that right? Apostles, prophets they call. So as long as you are a missionary or an apostle, you're one sent of God to a mission. And you're always right. God bless you is my prayer.
Laplanders come down from the Laplands, driving caribou, riding a little sled of a thing, the caribou with a tongue right down between its legs, and here they come riding right along behind it, like that. So they're just gathered in from everywhere.
Sitting there in Lapland, where I couldn't even speak one word, and half the Finns couldn't, or the Swedes. And there the Holy Spirit would set in and tell people things all down. They were just in one accord. Everybody just bleeding out for God, and just great signs and wonders. There was no friction.